Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Is there lipstick on my teeth? I hope not, because that always happens and it's a struggle. You know, it's really a struggle. First world problem. Okay, I don't have lipstick on my teeth, but I have foundation on my leg. The life of me. So, welcome back to my channel. I thought today it would be fun to talk about my 5 most used makeup products. Anyways, so I thought I would talk about the 5 products that I've been using the most recently. They're just in my everyday makeup routine, so I thought I'd share them with you guys. Some of these products are products I haven't used in a long time, but that's what the fun of makeup is. Sometimes you grab in your drawer and you find things that you haven't used in a while and they're great. So, the first thing I'm going to be sharing with you is my holy grail, and that is the Estee Lauder Double Wear. I know a lot of you might think it's very heavy or dries too fast, but listen, this foundation will last you all day, and it's the one foundation I found that does not break me out ever. Like, just got a text, sorry. Ever. Like, I've never gotten a spot from this, and sometimes when I use different foundations, I notice that I do break out a bit on my forehead or on my chin, and so this one has never broken me out. It is SPF 10, so if some of you are worried about those sun rays damaging your skin, that's also in there. And Estee Lauder has a variety of colors, like it ranges all from like the whitest white corpse person like me till like the most beautiful dark skin tone person. So I would check that one out. The next is the highlight that I've been loving lately. I don't know if you can see in this natural light because I'm poor and can't afford YouTube lights. It's the... I have to scratch off old foundation. One sec. This is the Double Gleam highlight from MAC. They should still have this. It's a really great highlight. If you can see, there it is swatched. Can you see that? And here it is again. My next product is actually an eyeshadow palette. These used to be really popular. The original one, I think, was really popular. This by Too Faced. Too Faced also doesn't test on animals. So for any of you vegans out there, this is cruelty-free. All of their makeup is. And this is the Romantic Eye palette. The look I usually go for, today I'm doing this look at the bottom here, but usually I do the middle one, which is the classic, and I really love this color. It's called Cut the Cake. It looks kind of gray in the shadow palette, but it's actually really beautiful soft lilac, and it just creates such a romantic eye. Sorry if I keep looking over there, it's the mirror to make sure I don't have lipstick on my teeth or black mascara all over my face. This is a really great palette. I know they have several others. I think a natural eye and a smoky eye, I believe. But yeah, this is great, and it's found in every Sephora, or you can probably still find it online. I've had this such a long time. Shit, almost 10 years. But this is a good one. The next one I've used for years, is also a holy grail for me, is the MAC Liquidlast liner. It's the liquid one, and I'm wearing it on the top right now. This one will last you not just all day, it will last you a week if you don't take it off properly. And when I used to be really lazy with my makeup removing routine, I would just leave this on and sometimes just reapply it. I know that's really ratchet and ghetto of me, but this is a great eyeliner if you're looking for something easy for the top. I know a lot of eyeliners dry out really fast or you use them up really quickly, but this one's great if you need a good liquid liner. The last product I love, this is one of my favorite mascaras. I'm not wearing it today, but it is one of my favorite mascaras. It is called Sumptuous Extreme Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara. So that's by Estee Lauder, and it's great if you're looking for a good mascara that will lengthen and create volume. This one's great. And a trick is, actually learned this from Samantha Sherman 10 years ago, but when you're running out of mascara, you take the wand and then you push to the side so it'll scrape out any of the rest and you don't go off and buy another one because high-end mascaras are quite expensive. Anyways, these are my top 5 products that I've been using right now. I hope this gives you some inspiration if you are looking for an eyeliner or a new eyeshadow palette, or not in this case, not a new eyeshadow palette, but an older one. That's great. There's some advice for you. I hope you guys have a lovely day and see you in my next video. Bye.